Welcome to Credit Score Pro. In this video, we'll guide you through our comprehensive educational resources, specifically our credit education course designed to empower you on your credit journey. So let's dive in. So first, let's talk about how to access the course. After logging into Credit Score Pro, you'll find the Tutorials tab at the top of the menu. Clicking here will open the gateway to our extensive learning modules. You'll start by clicking on Coaching. Our course is divided into several modules, each focusing on the key aspects of credit management. From understanding credit scores to advanced repair strategies, these modules cover it all. So we start with why credit matters. We move into the complexities of score algorithms and understanding FICO models, breaking down credit score factors, and putting it all together, examples of a credit profile, reading your credit report to identify opportunity for score boosts, factor fiction, dispelling common credit myths, and finally, establishing and reestablishing a credit score. To start a module, simply click on it. Each module is tied to different aspects of your credit repair journey.
Establish positive credit history.
You can choose to expand the module
applies to young adults,
so you can watch the video in its entirety,
or anybody that may have lost their
or
credit
you can
profile,
choose to watch it in a smaller screen.
available for a longer period of time. A person can
You can also choose to read the transcript of the module as well. Now, how can you integrate this learning into your credit management strategy? Let's say you've just completed a module on credit utilization. Use this knowledge to review your credit report on Credit Score Pro and identify areas of improvement. You can combine what you've learned with your credit building plan to really take your credit to the next level. Now remember, credit management is an ongoing journey. Our credit educational resources are regularly updated to reflect the latest credit trends and strategies. So keep revisiting it today to stay on top of your credit game.